Hello folks, this is Marcus from Your Move Games, and tonight we're going to be discussing the backup rule. And the backup rule could be found in your handy dandy little rule book on page 82. There it is, page 82. This is a relatively simple one. Basically, if you have a unit backing up an allied unit, and this unit that's backing up the allied unit, or is behind it and it's touching the back of this allied unit, and it has a closed standing order, and as long as at least 1.25 inches of this unit is touching the back of the allied unit, 1.25 inches, by the way, is half of a short, so you could actually get away with as little as this touching right here, then this is considered a backup. So what happens during a backup situation? Well, there's two things that can happen in a backup situation. The first is if this unit takes enough damage to destroy it, and the unit behind it is touching the back of it, it has a closed standing order, and at least 1.25 inches of that unit is closing the back. When this unit is destroyed, this unit just automatically filters back up there. The troops filter back in to take its place, and this engagement goes on as if nothing happened. There's no final rushing here. This is as if it's a continual engagement. And this is a wonderful way to hold up superior units. In this case, the communal pikemen are 328 points. This is a pretty hot unit. Versus the hastati, Roman hastati, which are 119 points. So between the two of them, both of these units are a total of 238 points. For the duration of the battle, the combination of these units can hold this guy up, well, that's a win for you. So there's another situation where the backup rule can take place. Let's just say that this unit right here goes into the red and it fails a route check. So this unit routes. Now in this case, if the unit is backed up, you have the choice. You can decide to destroy this unit and go ahead and move that unit up into its place. And again, it's the same. It doesn't count as a final rush or anything. It's a continuous engagement. Now, why would you want to do that? Why would you want to just destroy that unit and not even give it a chance to roll its route check? Well, let's say this is, or at least take the chance for the return attacks, because this happens before return attacks is back up. Let's say you have a fight here. You got a nice little line set up, and this unit routes. Well, if you let this unit be destroyed without backing it up, you're going to have a hole in your line, and if it's this player's turn coming up, in other words, if this unit is destroyed on your turn, then like all kinds of bad stuff can happen. So that is the optional backup rule, meaning if this unit fails a route check, you can choose to just destroy this unit and back it up, as opposed to if this unit is just outright destroyed due to damage. And if that's the case, as long as this unit is backing it up, it can go right ahead in there and plug the line, so to speak. Now, since you only need a 1.25 inches touching the back of a unit and of an allied unit to back it up, you can actually pull shenanigans like this and have this unit backing up both of these units. So if anything happens to either this unit or say this unit dies due to damage, you can plug either one. So it's a really handy rule to know. And why am I using Rome here? Well, the reason I'm using Rome is that Rome likes to be backed up more than any other faction, because if you see a little asterisk right here on these cards for the Roman, most of the Roman units actually get a +1 courage if backed up. So Rome absolutely loves deep ranks. So that's why I chose to illustrate this using Rome. And also there's an exception in that Rome have this wonderful little unit right here, Triarii, which are designed to back up. The Triarii actually have an ability. It's been around a bit, but basically this ability says that anybody within 5 inches of a center point is considered to be back up. So all of these units are backed up by the Triarii. Now this is a singular case here, but still makes Roman generals happy generals. So basically, again, as long as at least 1.25 inches is touching the back of this unit right here, an allied unit, and that allied unit is destroyed, you just move these guys right on in there, and voila, a backup. All right, that's all for now. Hope you guys have a wonderful night. Enjoy.